Starlink SNR is persistently low? What to do? If you're running the Speedify app, Speedify will notify you when your Starlink has a weak signal. This is known as the SNR Persistently Low Alert. Speedify constantly monitors your Starlink internet connections for problems and alerts you when there's an issue. If Speedify says your SNR, or signal to noise ratio, is persistently low, that means your dish is getting a very weak signal from the satellites. You better check if something's on it. Could your dish be covered in leaves or a cat? Or perhaps it's under an umbrella? Look for things like that. You need to make sure it's cleared off and that the plastic top of your Starlink has a great view of the sky. Speedify does all sorts of cool tricks like this and connection bonding to improve the performance of your Starlink. If you're using Starlink without Speedify, you probably want to head over to speedify.com and get it installed so that you get alerted when there's an issue. If you're interested in more content about how to get the best out of your Starlink, download Speedify today and subscribe for more.